Hi Kenyans in the UK. Kenya is fantastic, it's fabulous, it's good, it's a bit hot, and Kenya is growing. Optiven have been in Australia, we have been in the US, we have gone to South Africa, we have gone to Dubai, and we got calls from the United Kingdom. And I said, hey, wow, when a customer calls, what do? You obey. And I'm happy to say that we are heading to the UK from 28th of March all the way to 4th of May. So we are going to be very close to your village. We are coming to talk, to partner, to see what are these opportunities are there in Kenya, especially real estate. And let me tell you, with Optiven, having 18 years experience, you are sure that your money is safe. This particular project is only 10 miles from the airport, 2 miles from the transnational highway, and it's a place you can live, it's a place you can rent. Victory Phase 3 is one of the projects of its own. We are putting solar lighting, planting trees, we have beautiful taxi bay there, areas for barbecue center. It's a developed area. Can you imagine? We are all telling you, only commit £300. And then you start the journey, because we give you 2 years to pay, we'll give you time to pay. Kenyans in the UK, we are humbly requesting you call us, you WhatsApp us. We are available for you. Call us where you are, even in your houses. We shall come. Optiven, we walk the journey with you.
Optiven Limited, the pay-setters in real estate.